In this video, you'll learn how to convert JavaScript code to Python using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up the necessary environment, create the conversion script, and run it to generate Python files from your JavaScript files. To begin, open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. This can be done by navigating to the menu and selecting Terminal, then New Terminal. Once your terminal is open, create a new folder by typing leften nyan tor claude _js_to_ pi and pressing enter. After that, navigate into the new folder by entering C. This folder will contain all the files necessary for the conversion process. Next, you need to initialize node.js in your folder to allow for the automation script to run. Type in pminute-y and hit enter. This command will create a package.json file in your directory. After that, install the required packages by typing npm install axios.men. This step ensures you have the necessary libraries to interact with the Claude Code API effectively. Now, you will add your Claude API key for authentication. Create a new file named quote.env quote in the folder. You can do this by typing touch.avin in the terminal. Open the newly created file and enter claude_API_API_API_API_key here without quotes, replacing your _API_key here with your actual API key. This key is crucial for Claude Code to authenticate your requests. The next step is to create the conversion script. In the terminal, type touch convert _to python.js quote to create the script file. Open this file in your code editor and write a script that reads all JavaScript files in your specified folder. The script should send the contents of these files to Claude Code for conversion and save the output as .py files in the same location as the originals. Ensure that your script is designed to work recursively, scanning all subfolders for JavaScript files. After you have completed writing the conversion script, you can run it from the terminal. Use the command node convert _to python.js / your _js project folder, replacing / your _j project folder with the actual path to your JavaScript. Upon execution, the script will generate .py files corresponding to each JavaScript file in the specified folder. This process may take some time depending on the number of files. If you prefer using Python for the automation, you can install the necessary packages by typing pip install requests python.n in your terminal. Create a similar Python script that scans the folder for JavaScript files, sends them to Claude Code, and saves the converted Python files next to the originals. To run this Python script, use the command python convert _to python.py / your _js project folder. Once the conversion process is complete, inspect the generated Python files carefully. It is essential to run your Python tests to ensure everything functions as expected. If you encounter any discrepancies or edge cases, you will need to address them manually to ensure the integrity of your converted code.